Samsung has just announced Galaxy Note 9, one of the most powerful devices of 2018. But what makes Note 9 special is the S Pen. Samsung has added some cool new features to the S Pen this year with Bluetooth connectivity. In this video, let's find out the new features of S Pen. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. First of all, the S Pen now comes in different color options. With blue you get yellow S Pen, with black you get the black one, and with purple you get the light purple S Pen. To connect your S Pen to your Note, simply go to the settings of S Pen remote and turn on the connection. Needless to say that your Bluetooth should be turned on. Once connected, you can do a lot of things. By default, you hold down the S Pen to open cameras, but you can change it with any other application of your choice in the S Pen setting. Taking pictures with S Pen is fun. After launching camera, you can press the S Pen button to capture a photo. Press the button twice with the camera application open to toggle between front and rear cameras, and again single press to capture photo. Also, you can view your photos in Samsung's default gallery application. When gallery application is open, you can use single and double press on S Pen to move to next image or previous image. While PowerPoint slide is open, you can use S Pen button presses to move to next slides. With YouTube playing in the application, you can use S Pen button presses to play, pause or skip videos. With the default voice recorder application open, use the S Pen to record or pause your voice recording. When media is playing on Note 9, you can play, pause or skip music using the two variation of the button presses. It works with default music application and soon will work with Spotify also. Last but not the least, the familiar air commands.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
Pen Up application for artists is also there if you are good in drawing or painting. Kudos to Samsung for making the S Pen a powerful tool with Bluetooth connection. I hope in future the developers will take this experience even further with more application supports. For example, answering calls while writing something is a possibility too. The S Pen works in the range of 30 feet as per Samsung, and also the battery life is 30 minutes. For charging, just put the S Pen inside and in 40 seconds it will be fully charged. Samsung has done a commendable job in boosting the S Pen functionality to another level by Bluetooth support. So guys, this was a short review about S Pen features. There is a lot more what S Pen can do, which I'll be covering in my coming video of detailed S Pen review. So stay tuned. That's all for this video guys. Stay tuned to my channel as I will be making more videos on Note 9 like camera comparison, tips and tricks, etc. You can click here for the playlist of my Note 9 videos. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.